Hello, and welcome to Speak English Anywhere. In today's lesson, you'll practice 100 useful English sentences about yourself. These are natural, everyday sentences you can use to introduce yourself and talk about your life with confidence. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Let's get started. My name is Mia, and I enjoy learning new things. My name is Mia, and I enjoy learning new things. I live in a quiet neighborhood with my family. I live in a quiet neighborhood with my family. I work hard and always try my best. I work hard and always try my best. I study English because I want better opportunities. I study English because I want better opportunities. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I enjoy reading books in my free time. I like listening to music every single day. I like listening to music every single day. I usually wake up early on weekdays. I usually wake up early on weekdays. I enjoy drinking coffee in the morning. I enjoy drinking coffee in the morning. I spend time with my friends on weekends. I spend time with my friends on weekends. I love watching movies after a busy day. I love watching movies after a busy day. I enjoy learning new skills whenever I can. I enjoy learning new skills whenever I can. I like meeting people from different countries. I like meeting people from different countries. I always try to stay positive every day. I always try to stay positive every day. I enjoy helping others whenever they need me. I enjoy helping others whenever they need me. I like cooking simple meals at home. I like cooking simple meals at home. I enjoy taking photos during my travels. I enjoy taking photos during my travels. I prefer quiet places over crowded areas. I prefer quiet places over crowded areas. I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. I enjoy walking outside in the evening. I enjoy walking outside in the evening. I always try to keep my room clean. I always try to keep my room clean. I enjoy learning about different cultures and traditions. I enjoy learning about different cultures and traditions. I like practicing English with my friends online. I like practicing English with my friends online. I usually exercise 3 or 4 times weekly. I usually exercise 3 or 4 times weekly. I enjoy watching educational videos on YouTube. I enjoy watching educational videos on YouTube. I like writing down my daily thoughts. I like writing down my daily thoughts. I enjoy visiting new places during vacations. I enjoy visiting new places during vacations. I I always carry a bottle of water. I always carry a bottle of water. I enjoy trying different kinds of delicious food. I enjoy trying different kinds of delicious food. I like learning from my mistakes every day. I like learning from my mistakes every day. I always try to finish my work early. I always try to finish my work early. I enjoy spending peaceful time by myself sometimes. I enjoy spending peaceful time by myself sometimes. I like talking with people who inspire me. I like talking with people who inspire me. I enjoy setting goals for my future. I enjoy setting goals for my future. I like keeping my desk neat and organized. I like keeping my desk neat and organized. I usually plan my day every morning. I usually plan my day every morning. I enjoy learning useful words every day. I enjoy learning useful words every day. I like watching the sunrise on holidays. I like watching the sunrise on holidays. I enjoy relaxing with soft music at night. I enjoy relaxing with soft music at night. I always try to stay healthy and active. I always try to stay healthy and active. I enjoy learning something new every week. I enjoy learning something new every week. I enjoy spending time outdoors whenever the weather is nice. I enjoy spending time outdoors whenever the weather is nice. I like visiting coffee shops with my close friends. I like visiting coffee shops with my close friends. I usually eat breakfast before leaving the house. I usually eat breakfast before leaving the house. I enjoy watching funny videos when I feel tired. I enjoy watching funny videos when I feel tired. I like learning new recipes from the internet. I like learning new recipes from the internet. I enjoy making simple plans for each weekend. I enjoy making simple plans for each weekend. I always try to stay calm during problems. I always try to stay calm during problems. I enjoy talking about my dreams and goals. I enjoy talking about my dreams and goals. I like meeting new people through shared hobbies. I like meeting new people through shared hobbies. I enjoy spending time with people I trust. I enjoy spending time with people I trust. I enjoy reading interesting articles before going to bed. I enjoy reading interesting articles before going to bed. I like learning useful expressions for daily conversations. I like learning useful expressions for daily conversations. I usually save money for future travel plans. I usually save money for future travel plans. I enjoy exploring beautiful places with my camera. I enjoy exploring beautiful places with my camera. I like trying healthy food whenever possible. I like trying healthy food whenever possible. I enjoy listening to podcasts while doing chores. I enjoy listening to podcasts while doing chores. I always try to learn from every experience. I always try to learn from every experience. I enjoy watching documentaries about nature and science. I enjoy watching documentaries about nature and science. I like keeping a simple daily routine. I like keeping a simple daily routine. I enjoy sharing happy moments with my family. I enjoy sharing happy moments with my family. I enjoy improving myself little by little every day. I enjoy improving myself little by little every day. I like learning something useful before going to sleep. I like learning something useful before going to sleep. I usually keep my promises to other people. I usually keep my promises to other people. I enjoy working with people who are positive. I enjoy working with people who are positive. I like starting my mornings with positive thoughts. I like starting my mornings with positive thoughts. I enjoy celebrating special days with my loved ones. I enjoy celebrating special days with my loved ones. I always try to be honest with everyone. I always try to be honest with everyone. I enjoy solving problems with creative ideas. I enjoy solving problems with creative ideas. I like making people smile whenever I can. I like making people smile whenever I can. I enjoy learning from successful people's experiences. I enjoy learning from successful people's experiences. I enjoy spending my weekends doing relaxing activities. I enjoy spending my weekends doing relaxing activities. I like learning languages because they open new doors. I like learning languages because they open new doors. I usually write my goals in a notebook. I usually write my goals in a notebook. I enjoy visiting parks to enjoy fresh air. I enjoy visiting parks to enjoy fresh air. I like staying organized in my daily life. I like staying organized in my daily life. I enjoy learning practical skills for everyday situations. I enjoy learning practical skills for everyday situations. I always try to be kind to everyone. I always try to be kind to everyone. I enjoy taking short breaks while working. I enjoy taking short breaks while working. I like spending quiet evenings at home. I like spending quiet evenings at home. I enjoy making small improvements every single day. I enjoy making small improvements every single day. I enjoy listening carefully when people are speaking. I enjoy listening carefully when people are speaking. I like learning from books as well as videos. I like learning from books as well as videos. I usually spend my evenings with my family. I usually spend my evenings with my family. I enjoy trying new hobbies during my free time. I enjoy trying new hobbies during my free time. I like learning useful tips from experienced people. I like learning useful tips from experienced people. I enjoy planning trips before going on vacation. I enjoy planning trips before going on vacation. I always try to respect other people's opinions. I always try to respect other people's opinions. I enjoy doing things that make me happy. I enjoy doing things that make me happy. I like challenging myself with new experiences. I like challenging myself with new experiences. I enjoy celebrating my achievements with close friends. I enjoy celebrating my achievements with close friends. I enjoy learning from every opportunity that I receive. I enjoy learning from every opportunity that I receive. I like staying curious about the world around me. I like staying curious about the world around me. I usually keep a positive attitude every day. I usually keep a positive attitude every day. I enjoy meeting people with similar interests and goals. I enjoy meeting people with similar interests and goals. I like improving my communication skills every week. I like improving my communication skills every week. I enjoy helping my family whenever they need me. I enjoy helping my family whenever they need me. I always try to make good decisions in life. I always try to make good decisions in life. I enjoy spending time on meaningful activities daily. I enjoy spending time on meaningful activities daily. I like becoming a better person every year. I like becoming a better person every year. I enjoy living each day with gratitude and hope. I enjoy living each day with gratitude and hope. Excellent job! You just practiced 100 useful English sentences about yourself. Remember, confidence comes from practice. Watch this video again, repeat every sentence aloud, and use these expressions in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Speak English Anywhere, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!
Speak English Anywhere.